Hi. The fifth type of account is expenses. What are expenses? An expense is the cost of operation that a company incurs to generate revenue and from which no further benefit is expected as benefit already taken. When there is an increase in expense, it will be debited, and when there is a decrease in expenses, it will be credited. Let's see the examples and their original places in accounts. The expenses are supplies expenses, original place is debit; fuel expenses, original place is debit; printing and stationery expenses, original place is debit; salaries expenses, original place is debit; insurance expenses, original place is debit; and utilities expenses, the original places is debit, and so on. Thank you.